Your trading strategy is a trap. Have you ever wondered how professional traders are actually making money? That's because they know how to read the chart. My name is Marcus, and today we take a look at technical analysis. To become profitable in trading, it's good to understand what is happening in the market and what the price action is telling you. Spotting divergence is an excellent way to recognize potential reversals. You might think, what the heck is divergence? Don't worry, in this video, I'll explain this concept step by step. Well enough talking, let's get straight into it. As always, open TradingView and click on the Indicators tab. Then search for the Relative Strength Index and add it to your chart. For the sake of this video, we want to remove all unnecessary information in the RSI. To do this, we click on the Settings icon and uncheck these boxes. Now that we have everything set up, we need to change the time frame. I personally like the 15-minute time frame, but you can also choose a lower time frame. So before we can understand what divergence is, it's important to know how price action works. There are three types of trends in the market: uptrends, downtrends, and horizontal markets. Uptrends usually show a series of higher highs, and downtrends do the exact opposite. A higher high means that the price broke through the last high, and a new high is created on the chart. If we want to spot a divergence, it's important to first spot a new high, or a lower low. As you can see here, the price is in an uptrend, and there is a new high created, since we see a higher high here, and a higher high there, and here,
another one.
We call it an uptrend. Let's take a look at what happens with the RSI when a higher high is created. Usually when the price creates a higher high, the RSI creates a higher high as well. Most of the times, the RSI is moving along with the price, but in some cases, it doesn't. You can see a higher high here, but the RSI is telling us something different. The RSI is moving in the opposite direction of the price, and this is what we call a divergence. The easiest way to spot it is to simply draw a line. Both of the lines should follow the trend, and in this case, move upwards. But in this case, the RSI line is moving downwards and tells us something different than what the price is telling us. This is what we call a divergence. So what is the divergence telling us? It's simply telling us that the price is losing its momentum and that there might be a reverse in trend. You can see a lower low created here, and we expect the RSI to have a lower low as well. But instead, it's higher than the previous low. Yet again, we spotted a divergence. The price is losing its momentum, and the reversal is already here. As always, it's not a guarantee for success. The momentum can be extremely strong, and therefore the divergence doesn't impact it. But overall, this can be a very solid way in spotting potential reversals and getting an edge in the market. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe.